What if Earth and all its inhabitants are just a science experiment for higher beings? Let's explore different perspectives on this intriguing question. The simulation hypothesis proposes that our reality could be a complex simulation created by advanced beings. While there's no scientific evidence to support this, it raises interesting questions about the nature of reality, consciousness, and the purpose of our existence. The cosmic zoo concept. This concept suggests that we might be living in a zoo for higher beings, who observe and study us without interfering. This resonates with the question, exploring the possibility that Earth is an experiment for their amusement or knowledge. The anthropic principle. This principle suggests that the universe must be compatible with the existence of intelligent life like ourselves, otherwise we wouldn't be here to observe it. This doesn't necessarily imply we're part of an experiment, but it suggests our existence might have some larger cosmic significance. Many religions believe in higher beings who created and oversee the universe. While specific beliefs vary, they offer different interpretations of why we exist and our place in the grand scheme of things. The vastness of the universe and the limitations of our current knowledge leave much room for speculation. It's possible that explanations for our existence lie beyond our current understanding, waiting to be discovered. Whether Earth is an experiment or not remains a mystery. What kind of experiment? Are they studying our behavior, our potential, or something else entirely? Does it matter? Perhaps focusing on understanding and improving our own world is more important. This thought experiment demonstrates the power of human imagination to explore possibilities beyond our current knowledge.